Hello, I'm at the 2008 Toyota Avalon, and I'm going to show you how to open this little protective door to get to your gas cap so you can fill. So you go on the driver's side, open it up, and then if you look here, you should see some different buttons you can choose from. So we're opening that. So I don't know if you heard it, but there was a little click sound when I pushed it that unlatched the safety feature. So here you can see it did open. From here you just open up and then unscrew like normal and fill it with whatever gas makes sense, and then screw it back on. Close when you're done, and it's automatically locked again. And for some reason, if this button isn't connecting, sometimes it might take a few tries, but otherwise you might have, say, like a loose connection or something along the line, so you might have to yourself or have a professional pull this apart and make sure there's no loose connections here for running. Otherwise, maybe a little rough catching in here just might need greased or cleaned up a little bit, like maybe some debris fell in, like the latch somewhere. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.